Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to know internet secured in Windows. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So guys, our first step is to check your internet connection. For that, for the quick fix, just disable and enable the Wi-Fi, and please check out your plugins, and please enable the airplane mode and disable it. So the second step is to reset network. For that, you need to enter into the command prompt as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. So once all prompt is done, please type exit to exit from the CMD. So the third step is to change DNS server. For that, you need to press Windows R and then type ncpa.cpl, then hit enter. So over there, you need to choose your network connection and enter into your properties. So over, please click internet protocol version properties and type 1111 and 8888 and then click OK. So once it's done, please close it. And the fourth step is to disable proxy. For that, you need to enter into your settings and then network and internet. Over there, please scroll down, you may see proxy. Just click and enter into the setup. Over here, you need to disable the proxy and save it. So the fifth step is to disable and enable Wi-Fi adapter. For that, you need to enter into your device manager. So once you enter into a device manager, please enter into the network adapter and MediaTek, disable it, click yes. So once you disabled, please refresh and please enable it. Yeah, once you enable, please close it. And our sixth step is to update and reinstall Wi-Fi driver. For that, you need to enter into the device manager once again, and please right click the MediaTek to update. Most of the case it's always up to date in condition. So the seventh step is to is the network reset. For that, you need to enter into your settings and then network and internet and then advanced network settings. Over the advanced network, you need to enter into network reset. Just click reset now to reset the network. So that's it guys. Also our last step is to restart your PC. I hope you enjoyed the video and the issue will be solved once you restarted your PC. So thank you for watching. For more, subscribe, take care. Bye bye.